Alright, got a cab high fiberglass cap for a 99 to 06 Chevy GMC with a 6.5 foot short bed. It's a ranch. Cab high fiberglass. This unit's in pretty good shape. It's got some nicks and scratches here, and pretty much just little nicks and stone chips everywhere. It's black. No holes. Nothing more than just nicks in the paint. Typical nice unit that's been well taken care of. It's got a picture window in the front. It's got a couple, oh, that's bird poop. Nicks right there. Another one there, another one there. All those are behind the cab, so you're not going to see those. The window's a little dirty. This here can just be glued back on. That's just a trim panel on the front. That's actually behind the cab as well. A couple nicks right there. There, stone chips. Right there. Right there. Get you a picture of the roof. That really looks good. A couple nicks right there. Don't really see anything really exciting. Real nick right there. Nothing real exciting on damage on this. Double T handle, ranch top. Sliding windows on the side. Screen's got a couple holes right there. There's one right there. A little bit bigger one right there. Picture window in the front. This screen's in really good shape. I don't even see any holes in that at all. Pretty much the hole inside there. Cab high fiberglass ranch top. Fits 99 to 06 Chevy and GMC. Very good shape.